Today we had the 5th council meeting of the Rivers State Executive Council, and we deliberated on the medium-term expenditure framework, which is usually a precursor to discussing the budget. Is an act of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Law number 8 of 2010, that makes provision for preparation. And that document, an 86-page document, was also presented for consideration, which had the budget estimate. The council deliberated on the budget estimate so presented by the Commissioner for Finance, and concluded that it was a well thought out document, and the budget estimate for 2024 is 800 billion. It was 500 and something in 2023, but because we had a 100 billion supplementary act, which was part of what we used for the ring road, so it moved it from what it ordinarily should have been, considering the inflationary trend, to about 800,000. And this budget is tagged budget of renewed hope, consolidation and continuity. It has 412 as capital, and then 361 as recurrent, with a 21 billion reserve. These were the major deliberations we had today. And on infrastructure is taking the lead with about 128 billion of the budget, and then followed by education, health and security. These are essentially the main focus of this budget.
We have approved the budget of renewed hope, consolidation and continuity. Because details of the fundamentals and the projections, everything was thoroughly and exhaustively discussed before we arrived at the approval of the budget of 800 billion 392 million 485,433 kobo, which we believe by the time it gets to the State House of Assembly, the public will be made to see and understand all the projections and the fundamentals. But basically, as the name implies, the essence of the budget is to give the people of Rivers State, the residents of Rivers State, renewed hope, and to ensure that there is a consolidation and continuity in what has been happening, particularly in terms of the harvest of projects we've been having in the state, and of course, other areas, particularly human capital development, security, investment drive in the state, and so on and so forth, ease of doing business, etc. So basically, that is the little addition I feel I should make to what he has said. Thank you.